Welcome to this Geneious Biologics tutorial video on understanding the pipeline report, navigating the Graphs tab, and understanding and visualizing clusters in your data. After you've run the annotator tool, the results will be visualized graphically in several ways. To learn more about the annotator tool, see the annotation video in this tutorial video series. The pipeline report is a series of static graphs that give a summary of the structure of your dataset and is a quick way to check the quality of your results. It includes visualizations of annotation rates, cluster diversity, gene association, and mutation rates compared to the reference database. For a visual summary of your clusters, let's look at the Graphs tab. The clusters in the drop-down menu here are defined by what clusters you picked when you ran the annotator tool. Here you can see the number of sequences in the top 25 clonotypes in your dataset. Here you can see the frequency of V and J gene combinations. You can also visualize the distribution of CDR3 lengths in your dataset. For more information about Geneious Biologics, visit geneious.com/biologics.